In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Google Sheets. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually quite easy. Head over to your Google Sheets, and I'm going to go ahead and show you two ways. The first one is you're going to click the insert button right here, choose drawing, and then from here, you're going to click this one and choose scribble. So from this point forward, go ahead and basically write here something or your signature, and then click the save button, and you should be able to see this one. You can go ahead and customize how small or how big you want it to be, just like so. And then another way is I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna click the insert button, and then I'm gonna choose image. This time I'm going to go ahead and click insert image in cell, and then I'm going to go ahead and browse from my PC. So this time I'm gonna choose that signature, which is this one right here. There you go. As you can see, we are able to get this done. And thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you out.